Hey everybody, Jay from GemToy. I've got this cool project for you. If you've already taken my INKSCAPE for Glowforge course, which I recommend, I now have some advanced projects where I will give you the SVG file and you can burn it on your Glowforge, and then I'll give you the instructions of how to put it together. So this is my first project. This is my little Q-tip crossbow. Oh yeah. I will teach you how to put all of these 27 parts together. All you will need is some medium proof grade maple plywood, and then you will need 3 rubber bands and some sandpaper. You'll need some kind of glue, like Elmer's glue, white glue, super glue will work, crazy glue, all those kind of glues. So if you're ready, I'm ready. So let's make a Q-tip crossbow together. I'll give you the file and I'll show you how where everything goes and some tips and tricks to keep it running smoothly. Alright? Lost my Q-tip.